seems to be getting a little too warm lately. It's not just a long summer, it's something much bigger. Our planet is wearing a heavy blanket of gases that cannot take off. This is global climate change. It means that the Earth's normal weather patterns are shifting and our global climate regions are in trouble. From the melting ice at the poles to the drying fields in our own backyards, the Earth is sending us a signal that it's time for a change. Namaste. My name is Anushka Rajkumar Kolkar and I am a 5th grader at St. Mary's High School, Camp Belagavi. I have chosen to talk to you about this today because I care about my future. I want to tell the judges very clearly I have not copied this speech from the internet or used an AI to write it for me. These are my own words based on my own research. Actually, these issues are being discussed in our school earlier this year and those lessons inspired me to learn more. I wanted to take what I learned in class and use my own voice to explain it to the world because I believe honesty is the first step to solving any problem. Okay, so this is our Earth. Now, let us see what is a particular layer on our Earth. Climate change is a major environmental issue because of things like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests mainly. We are adding much more carbon dioxide to our atmosphere. This creates the greenhouse effect. Imagine. See, I am driving a car. Now, let us see. Sorry for disturbance. Okay. Imagine the earth is trapped in a car with the windows rolled up on a sunny day. That is exactly what is happening to our atmosphere. We can measure this issue by looking at the rising levels and melting the glaciers. It's not just about things getting hotter. It's about the balance of nature being tipped over. When one region changes, the whole world feels. It is a global puzzle, and right now the pieces are not fitting together like they should. Okay. So this is the interesting part, that what I was going to show you when I moved my camera towards me little closer. But here is the interesting part. We are the solution. Even as a 5th grader, I know that we can help. At my school, we talked about how we can migrate toward better energy like solar and wind power. We can also make small changes at home like using less plastic, planting trees, saving water, and if all of us at my school and students all over the world start taking these measures, those small steps will add up to a giant leap for our planet. So, let us see the conclusion. In conclusion, global climate change is a big challenge for our Earth, but it is a challenge we can win. We don't need to wait until we are adults to be leaders. We can start right now. Let's protect our home and make sure it stays beautiful for a long time. I really take pledge and I am proud to speak for our Earth. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.